Good morning, class 9. Today we are going to do exercise 5.2 of chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equations. Question number 9, part 1. Okay, so here the question is px plus qy is equals to p minus q and qx minus py is equals to p plus q is given. So, because we have to apply elimination method, so we will multiply the first equation with p and the second equation with q. So we got p square pqy and p square minus pq here. Here also q square x minus pqy. Now this pqy and pqy have become equal. So we'll cut them. And here pq plus pq and minus pq is there. So when we'll add both the equation, this will also cut each other. So what we are left with here, p square x plus q square x. So x taking common, we can write p square plus q square x. And here, because this will cut each other, so what are we left with? P square plus q square. Now x is equals to p square plus q square divided by this p square plus q square, that is equals to 1. Now putting the value of this x in the equation 1, what do we get? Px plus qy is equals to p minus q. Okay, now x is equals to 1 we have got, so we'll put it over here. So qy is equals to p minus q. Now qy, this p will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become minus p. Now p minus p will cut each other, so it will become minus q. Now this q will come on this side, so it will be divided, so minus q upon q, that is equals to minus 1. So we have got the value of x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1. In question number 10, we have got the two equations, so we'll add, because here the coefficients are already equal, so we'll just add both the equations. So we get 2x plus 4x, that is 6x, and 23 plus 19, that is equals to 42. So x is equals to 42 upon 6, that is 7. Okay, now putting of the value x, putting the value of this x in equation, any of the equations we can put. I have put in equation 1. What do we get? 2x plus y is equals to 23. So x is equals to 7. So 2 so that will be 7 2s are 14. 14 plus y is equals to 23. So y is equals to 23 minus 14, that is equals to 9. So x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 9 we have got. So we have to find the values of these two equations. So we have got the value of x and y. So we'll put the value 7 minus 3 multiply 9, that is equals to 7 minus 27, that is minus 20. And 5y minus 2x, that is 5 multiply 9 minus 2 7s are 14. So that is 45 minus 14, that is 31. Okay, in question number 11, ax plus by is equals to 7. So here x is equals to, it is 7 only when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Okay, so we'll put the value. So what do we get? 2a plus b is equals to 7. This is equation 1. Now ax plus by is equals to 1 when x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 1. We'll put the value. So we have got minus a plus b is equals to 1. Okay, now we have got one equation and two equation. From here we'll get the values of a and b. Again by applying elimination method, because we can see over here that both of them have coefficients 1. So we will subtract both the equations. So we have got 2a minus minus a, that is 3a, and 7 minus 1, that is 6. So a is equals to 6 upon 3, that is 2. Now after getting the value of a, we can get the value of b. Minus a plus b is equals to 1. So minus 2 plus b is equals to 1. So b is equals to 1. This will be shifted to the right hand side, so it will become 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. Okay, so we have got the value of a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. Now question number 12, here you have to see that all the three equations, they hold simultaneously or not. So first of all, solve the two equation by elimination method, making them equal. So again multiply equation 1 by 5 and multiply equation 2 with 7. Okay, so that we can get 15x minus 35y is equals to 35, and here we have got 77x plus 35y is equals to 6. So adding both the equation, minus plus will become, they will cut each other. Now here it will be added, it will become 92x is equals to 644. So 644 upon 92, that is equals to 7. So we have got the value of x. Now putting the value of x in the equation, we will get the value of y. So 3x minus 7y is equals to 7. So 3 7s are 21 minus 7y is equals to 7. So that is minus 7y is equals to 7 minus 21. That is 14 by 7, that is 2. So x is equals to 7, y is equals to 2. Now we'll put the values of x and y in the third equation and we'll see if the answer is coming 43 or not. So by putting the values, 7 5s are 35, 4 2s are 8. So 35 plus 8 is equals to 43. So we can see that both are equal. Therefore it is true. Therefore all the three equations, they hold simultaneously. Okay, whenever three equations are given, you have to find the values of 2 and put the value in the third equation. Okay, that's all for today class. Thank you and have a nice day.